Make sure the boys aren't getting off the bus. Look at this. Look at this storm. Oh my God. Are the boys here? Watch out. Watch out.
What just happened?
And the boys should be getting off the bus any minute. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my God. This is hail, people. I am 43 years old and never in my entire life have I ever seen anything like this in my entire life. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is insane. Look at this. That is all hail. Look at the road. That is all hail. I have never in my entire life. This is insane. And here comes. This is crazy. Look at it on the roads. Look at it. Look at this hail. Holy. Oh my God. All right. I'm signing out. This is April 15th, 2024. And just like that, it's gone. It came and went like a flash. Sun's back out. Insanity. All right, bye.